Hi guys! So in this video, you're gonna be joining me in doing my first floral arrangement. During my high school days, elementary, I think, the grade school days as well, my mom used to have this business as florist. What she would do is have someone deliver her the fresh flowers. I think it's from Baguio pa, or Tagaytay. And then she would do floral arrangements on November 1. I love it. Actually, I love seeing her do that because I see her have fun doing it. And this time kasi, since my mom's death anniversary is on the 12th of October, my aunt Julie, my tita Julie's death anniversary is on October 25. So, magkasunod lang. And then, after October 25, there's November 1. So, sunod-sunod talaga yung need namin for floral arrangements. This time, I thought, why not I do it myself? Kasi since pandemic, wala masyadong ginagawa and it's cheaper if I'll do it myself. Last October 12 was my mom's death anniversary. Umorder ako ng flowers from Marikina by Flowers by Melchor. And it's, maganda yung arrangement niya. So, I bought it na lang. Just so that, yung mga susunod ko ng time na kailangan ko ng flower arrangement, ako na lang ang gagawa. Kinuha ko na lang yung container niya, which is this one. Ayan. So, ito yung container na nabili ko from him. With the price of 1K. Maganda naman yung flower arrangement niya. So, I bought it and it's actually sulit for me. But this time kasi, hindi naman sulit kung para sa akin kung parati na lang ako bibili ng flower arrangement kung sunod-sunod naman yung event. So, I decided na I'll just recycle this one and do it myself. Since siya na yung contact ko from Marikina, sa kanya na din ako umorder ng mga bundles of flowers nitong mga to para din mas makamura ako kaysa bumili ako sa Robinsons or sa marketplace kasi ang mahal din ng price ng flowers talaga. Even though if you're gonna buy flowers from the supermarket, cheaper price pa rin naman siya. And sulit din naman siya. Kaya lang, mas sulit kung syempre sa mismong flower shop ka bibili. Or sa Dangwa. If you're near Dangwa, if your place is near Dangwa, then much better. You can buy it from Dangwa. Mine naman kasi near Marikina. So, I just bought it from him. Napakiusapan ko din siya. So, ayun, nakabili ako ng this one for the price of 40 pesos. This bunch already. This is what you call fillers dun sa flowers. This one is a floral foam for the price of 50. And I can use it on 2 containers already. I'll just cut it into half later. Then, itong plastic. Why do I need the plastic? I'll show it to you later. It's actually a tiny plastic. I'll put this in a plastic kasi I have to fill this foam with water so that yung flowers magtagal ng konti on that arrangement. And then also, kaya kailangan lagyan ng plastic so that hindi mabasa yung container, which is this one. This one is a paper, I think it's a paper machine. I don't know if that's what you call this container, but this is made from paper. So, basically, mababasa siya pagka hindi mo pa-plastical yung floral foam. So, let's start the floral arrangement. Hopefully, magustuhan na. Kita ko to kasi para sa kanya to. Wag sana niya ako dalawin pag di niya nagustuhan yung ending. First, you have to cut the floral foam into half. You have to fill the foam with water and put it in the plastic. Once you're done, you can now put it on the container. So since dalawang containers yung gagawa nito, hinati ko yung bulaklak at saka yung mga fillers into two. Now, I have 5 carnations. This one, I don't know what it's called, but we'll figure it out. And itong filler na to is a misty. And this one, dahon mga tao sa kanya. As I started, I noticed that as I was putting the leaves and the fillers and the flowers, I noticed that it was put a little too high. So I redid it again, and here it goes. As you can see, medyo mababa na yung pagkakalagay ko sa flowers. I also felt a little skeptical about my work, if it's gonna come out good or not. So when it finally started to look nice, now let me show you how it's properly done with the second container. So, yan guys. Maganda ba? Siguro hindi ako dadalawin ng dito ko yan. I didn't know I can make it! Diba? Ang ganda no ate. Pwede na ba ako maging florist? Malaki yung naitipid ko dito. Kasi usually pagka ganitong dalawang setup is about it's about 2,000. So 1K, 1K each. O sa susunod, baka ganyan na lang din ang gawin ko since kaya ko naman. Yeah, and also ang ganda ng bulaklak na nakakuha ko. And my tita, I think, loves pink, so this is why I chose pink for her. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like